Do you struggle to find meaning in a world obsessed with productivity? What if your employer decided what defines you? Would you sell your brain's computing power just to make ends meet? Do you ever wonder if your drinking buddies are secretly hacker spies? Have you ever worked with someone who's been infected with dangerous nanotechnology? If something bad happened in your city, do you have a protected services contract that covers radiation? Hi, I'm indie comics superstar Jesse Kepler, and if you've never heard of me, your brain implant's probably been hacked. But since you're missing memories, these are some of the questions that are asked by my cyberpunk adventure comic, Robo. It's a story about a world where corporations have replaced governments, brain implants allow you to sell processing power on your brain, infectious nanotechnology threatens entire populations, and a man who thinks he's a superhero is actually a PR tool to sell weapons technology to the highest bidder. With the release of the 6th issue, we conclude the first story arc. It's a great jumping on point and an exploration of a lot of these questions and other questions about where technology is going and where our world is going in response. You can read more about the comic, the story, and the creators below. Making comics was a dream of mine for almost my whole life. Now that I'm doing it, I hope you'll enjoy the stories that I'm putting out there. I know you've read most of them before, but since the whole memories thing happened, I hope you'll enjoy them if this is your first time. Thanks.